Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, how are you? My name is Stephany, and for today's video, I am going to be planning in my Go Get a Girl catch-all, and I'm going to be using Rongrong's Mom Life sticker book. So I've had this one for a while now. I just hadn't had the chance to use it, and as I was kind of flipping through all of my stickers, I noticed that I had this, so I immediately knew that I had to use it. So I'm actually going to be doing like a little color scheme, so that's why I have my two Zit Clean color dots and then two solid washi tapes as well. So if you guys are interested in anything from Rongrong, know that you can use code Stephany10 so you guys can save money on your order. And then if you guys are interested in your own Go Get a Girl planner, then use code Steph15, and that way you guys can save money. And all of the shops will be linked down in the description box below. So here we have our pages. And actually, of course, I forgot to get my script stickers. And if you saw my last video, then you know that I kind of had lost these, but I did end up finding those. And so I learned my lesson. And that's why I always try to like put these away in the back of the planner once I'm done planning, because yeah, I tend to lose these. So lesson learned. So as I was flipping through this sticker book, I noticed there was kind of like two themes going on. So we have like a workout theme here. So that's good to know so I can use it in my fitness planner. But we had like a working mom, and then like a new mom, and then just like all kinds of moms, right? So I just thought that I would kind of do two separate little themes on each page. So I actually grabbed my Rongrong Hands Off My Stickers sticker album, and I love this for traveling. That way you don't have to take a whole sticker book. You can just like pick the stickers you want and just put them here, or I like using it when I pre-plan. So I knew that there were so many things going on in this sticker book, and I didn't want to be just here flipping and flipping and flipping. So what I thought that I would do is kind of lay out the theme in these pages. So we have this color scheme here, and this is more like a kind of like a stay-at-home mom. I'm getting that vibe from these stickers. And so we have her wearing like a sweater, holding a coffee cup, and then the backpack, the sneakers, and then this just matched so well with the color scheme, so I thought that I would use it. And then the quote, "Mom life is the best life." And then I have this like working mom theme. So this one says "Mom Hustler," and then I have a quote, and then just like the keys and the wine and the laptop and the purse here. And so I am loving these two themes. So that's kind of what I was thinking about doing. There's just so many stickers in that sticker book, and I just didn't want to be all over the place. So I just kind of went ahead and picked out the stickers beforehand. So this one, I am thinking about using it right over here, right? So I didn't have to cover anything up. And then I am thinking of using her and the quote over here in the box. Okay, so did I want to put her on this side or this side? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it on this side. I think this would be best. Okay, so there we go. And then let's grab the quote and kind of put it right next to her. I think that is exactly what I was thinking about doing. So let's, okay, so maybe right there. Yeah, this is already looking way too cute. So then, so I did pick up this one, and the shirt says, "Life is better with my boys." Oh, I love that. And then I was thinking about placing this one like down here. Somehow kind of work it. That way I don't have to trim off too much. So let's see. I don't know. I really don't want to trim off the shoes. Oh, so maybe something like this instead. Yeah, why not? Let's tilt it this way. Okay, so I'm gonna get rid a little bit of the shoes, but that's completely okay. I think that'll still work. And then we just have just a little bit here. Okay, perfect. I am already loving like this whole color scheme. It is really, really pretty. So then, okay, so we have the sneakers. So let's see. So I can either place it here or maybe down here, because I do have the purse on the other theme and I really want to use it. So that's why I thought that I would use the backpack over here, and it matches the color scheme as well. So that was kind of what I was thinking. So maybe I can do something like this. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, perfect. And then let's grab the backpack. And I actually ended up switching the backpack. This is much bigger than one that I had already pulled. But I figured that this was kind of more of like the same kind of size. So, yeah, or maybe I can tilt it. Yeah, let's tilt it. That way everything's not like super straight. Okay, there we go. That looks amazing. Okay, so then let's work on this page. So as I was picking out the stickers, I kind of forgot that I had already reached the weekend, and I thought that I was going to have 2 pages just like Friday. But this week kind of went so fast that I didn't realize that it was already, that the weekend was already like here. So I don't think that I'm going to be able to use the quote, but that's completely okay. So I'm thinking that I could place her here. Oh yeah, I love this blue. This blue is really pretty. And then I'm going to cover up this little header here. And again, I didn't have to cover it. And actually, I didn't even add my my shipping label underneath the washi tape, because I'm like, why am I covering it if I'm just gonna place a sticker over it, right? Doesn't that just make sense? I don't know. That kind of just popped into my head as soon as I was like starting to lay down the stickers. I'm like, why am I doing that? Okay, so let's see. So I definitely want to use the bag. But where could I put it? So I think this right here would be like a great little area. Or maybe I can place it here. Maybe further up. Because I don't want to cover up these two. That is where I put my Apple Watch stats, and I completely use like most of the space. Okay, let's grab this here. So maybe the laptop could go here instead. Maybe tilt it like this. Down here is where I put my bills due. And sometimes I don't have that many, so I feel like I can cover up this area without losing too much space. So that can go there, and then maybe this one could go here. Is that... Did I want to tilt this one just like I did over here, right? Let's kind of put them like this so we can see them. Yeah, like... Okay, yeah, I'm liking this. I am really liking this. So, right about there. And let's see. So down here is where I have my water intake. So wouldn't that be funny if I just put like the glass of wine here? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do it. That's pretty funny. Okay, perfect. So then look at these cute little keys with the pom-pom key. So maybe I think I need to scoot it up just a little bit because I know I need that second line there, or maybe right here with the purse. Oh yeah, I think so. Let me just kind of twist it. I think I want it more like this way. Okay, I'm just gonna lay it down. There we go. Okay, so we only have that quote here, and I don't think that I want to use it just because it's already, I'm already like taking up way too much area. So yeah, I love the sticker album. It really helps when I need to pre-plan my stickers like this. So yeah, let's go ahead and add my little script stickers. So I'm not gonna have to use the to-do because we actually already have that over here. Okay, so there's that one, and then the bill due on the weekend goes down here, and then we need the workout just on Friday because I do my workouts Monday through Friday, and then I'll use the weekend to make up any days that I didn't do Monday through Friday, which I tend not to skip them because I definitely don't want to be doing that on the weekend. So I don't need workout on the weekend, and so Apple Watch stats go here and over here as well. I just like having them side to side like that, so that's why I use this one as my bill due. So no to do, and then water intake. So that's gonna go here. Perfect. And then this one is gonna go right over here. Okay, so far so good. So now I just have to come in with my bullet points. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And then 1, 2, 3, 4. And then 2 for my workouts. Oh, I was almost going to use the same color over here. Thank goodness that I noticed that. So then, let's go ahead and start at 9. And then here and here. Okay. And then over here, I'm going to start at 10. And then skip, skip, and skip. Okay, perfect. And so my water intake. So because I have to do Saturday and Sunday, I'm going to do 8 instead of the 4. So 4 are for Saturday, and then 4 are for Sunday. Okay, so what are we thinking? I think this looks really, really good. I don't know, maybe we could flip through the sticker book and see if there's anything else that we would like to add. I kind of wanted to see how everything would come together before I started adding like little touches here and there. So, because I'm looking at this like little scrunchie, and even the lip gloss that could go over here, the little hair blower. Let's see, I'm gonna pick this one up and see if I can maybe put it over here. Ooh, how cute would this be? Oh yeah, I think I like that. And then I don't know, for some reason I always feel like this is like empty. So let's see, any like blue colors that we see? Look at all these mom illustrations here. Okay, so we have this like little planner up here. And let's see. Okay, so now we get into like the boxes and the headers and all those things. So one more little flip through really quick. Okay, so we have this right here. But that would kind of be a little too awkward, just kind of like floating up there. At least I think it would. Anything else? No, I think that is gonna be it. Yeah. Yep, that is gonna be it. So yeah, let's go ahead and grab our planner. And let's put the pages back here. So as you can see, it has been a busy week and I actually haven't had a chance to fill out these pages, but yeah, I'll definitely get to doing that. And I don't know, I just love how this spread turned out. I'll have it linked down below if you guys are interested in watching it. And so here is Friday and the weekend spread. And before I get any further, let me go ahead and just put my script stickers back here before I end up like losing them again. Okay, there we go. So yeah, what do you guys think? I love the different color schemes. I think it is so pretty. This definitely gives me like stay-at-home mom vibes, and this one gives me like that working mom vibe. I really like it. I think these illustrations are so beautiful, and like I said, all of the shops will be linked down in the description box below. But for now, I really like the way that this turned out. So if you like this video, please consider subscribing, and don't forget to check me over on Instagram at stephanyhappilyplans, and I'll see you next time.